All right. Hopefully, I can record something I know many of you have never seen. And don't make fun of my floor. My house is clean. My floor is not. I let the kids play. Hey, Bucky. Come here. Sit. You want to take a bath? Yeah? You want to take a bath? Oh, your head's getting too big. Your head's getting too big. We gotta get a bigger thing for you. Come here. Uh-oh. There we go. Ready? We'll go take a bath? Come on, let's go take a bath. Come on. Come on. Come here. Hop in. You ready for the bath? You ready? Oh, we gotta run the water. Hold on, we gotta run the water. Gotta get the water warm. Come on here. Come on here, let the water warm up. Let the water warm up. I hope you guys are in shock. Or we're in shock. I'll edit it down later. Hold on. Still too cold. There you go. Hop in. Go on. Careful. There you go. There you go. Get good wet. Get all wet. You already got wet. We went for a walk this morning, and Mr. Bucky found a hole full of water and green stuff. But I don't mind Bucky getting dirty because he's the only dog I've ever seen that likes a bath. Don't you, buddy? I like the attention. I like the attention. Let's get all clean. Yeah. Oh, big boy. Oh, we got more water. More water. Oop, I'm getting covered. Normally, I would strip down to my skivvies, but I didn't think anybody wanted to see that. Come here. I know you can't see really well. I'm trying to get out of the way, but look, have you ever seen a dog like a bath? The water could be warmer, couldn't it, buddy? Huh. You're such a good boy. You know that. I really got blessed when I got you and your sister. Yeah. Okay, we gotta stand up. Come here. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Come here. There you go. There you go. Gotta get that belly. Gotta get that belly. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You okay? I'm sorry. Ooh, look at that dirt, mud roll off you. I'm sorry, buddy. Yeah, that was kind of stupid. Huh. Oh, I am getting wet. Oh, there you go. There you go. Come here. Over here. There you go. All right. Back up this. There we go. Get you. Oh, the mud is still rolling off you, buddy. Holy crap. I gotta get your belly better. Come here. Oh. Well, I won't need a shower afterwards, because I'm getting one, huh, buddy? You're going to be mad at me, but we got to get your belly again. You're all full of dirt. You're all full of dirt. come here. Come over here. There you go. That water could be a lot warmer, too. Yeah, you're okay. Taking it better than me. I don't like cold showers. It's not really cold. It's colder than I like it. Huh. Daddy's a wimp. Well, these are kind of useless right now. Yeah, okay. Yeah. There we go. There, now you're not. Ooh, hold up, back up. There. Okay. Well. Go ahead, buddy. Shakey shake. Go ahead. All right, you want to get up? Hold on. Here, let me squeegee. Hold on. Let me squeegee. Let me squeegee. Sorry, pardon the butt. There we go. Get squeegees. Oh, look at all that water. At least it's not brown anymore. Oh, squeegee doke. Squeegee doke. Okay. All right, hold on. Hold on, hold on. We want to see this. We want to see this. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's the magic. There's the money shot. Yep, there you go. Good job. Good job. Who's the clean puppy? Who's the clean puppy? Oh, this is just a different kind of visit. I don't have any money. I have lots of hot projects, but nothing to do right now. And I saw that Zach took the time to say hi, so I thought I would say hi, let everybody know we are we are happy. And so I'm gonna go take a shower now. You don't want to watch that. Say bye. Say bye.